Hello. You are watching Rahmat English Research Center. Here, you will find easy ways to learn and understand English. Our goal is to strengthen your English skills. So, let's get started. 7 Quetzales homework. Write a short dialogue using greetings and small talk. Example. A. Hello. How are you? B. I am fine, thank you. And you? A. I am fine too. What is your name? B. My name is Umar. Answer. Homework example. A. Hello. How are you? B. I am fine, thank you. And you? A. I am fine too. What is your name? B. My name is Umar. What is your name? A. My name is Ali. Where do you live? B. I live in Jamshedpur. Where do you live? A. I live in Ranchi. What do you like to do in your free time? B. I like to play cricket. What about you? A. I like to read books. B. That's great. See you later. A. See you later. If you like this video, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Rahmat English Research Center. Do share your feedback and suggestions in the comments. Thank you.